Hi, I'm Laara Raynier with Master Cutter Academy, and here we are in New York City at the Warren-Tricomi salon, and we're doing a live class today in person with me and Edward Tricomi.
This workshop, I'll be teaching technique, how I cut hair. Basically, I cut hair dry, talking about dry cutting. And I will show you a long layered haircut, face framing and layers. I'll be able to introduce you to the way I cut hair, and hopefully you'll learn something.
I'm going to be doing a classic, well, my version of an amazing precision bob. My philosophy is be the best, train with the best. Contact me. I can teach you private classes. I can change your whole career.